always get a better deal at Phillips because they give you a $100 rebate, and they families in the Marines like us, 4 generations. There's Papa, who's going to be Santa at River Oaks Macy's this year. I'm going to be the guy with the candy cane pulling you from the North Star, and the grandchildren are going to be elves. So this is my 5th vehicle I bought out of this building, and Grandpa's going to trade in his 2000 Chevy mini truck, make it number 6. Uno, dos, tres, cuatro, cinco, seis.
Wow. Hey, we appreciate the business. How was your experience?
I was a little upset because I didn't get no poutine pie.
You didn't get no poutine pie? Well, thank you for the business.
And promise me that Simone and Matthew with service will get half of a referral.
Absolutely. Hey, thank you, Mr.
What is that,
Wilson.
$25?
$25 from the Katerra Fund.
Cash.
Katerra Fund.
Cash.
How did Josh treat you?
He did all right. You know what? I wish he'd get the 100% commission, but I know he's an honorable man.
Yeah.
And he's going to share with the idea because I promised her I'd buy a car.
Oh, absolutely.
And guess what? Cash is king.
It is king.
And
Thank
see,
you.
Henry King, who they call Rodney King, and after sales, you see Big Tom, you get your undercarriage waxed.
Oh.
Oh!
Hey,
No,
only here at Phillips.
Hey,
Hey, we're out of time. Only here at Phillips Chevrolet on Lansing. Come on down and see us. Thank you, Mr.
The
Olson.
Ricketts family right here.
Yeah, the
He's
Ricketts
his
family.
cousin.
Oh.
And his brother cleaned the commodes on undercover.